Okay, so hey Powerbot. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create your GUI, and then afterwards coding the start button so it will do what you want it. So in the post I'll have a link for JForm Designer, but I use mine in Eclipse, so I'll just show you from there. JForm Designer, and then this happens in the normal one, and just the standalone. So name it whatever, and then do JFrame, and then null layout. So after that, hit finish. And then when it comes up, go ahead and get a J label. Do Powerbot test or something, it doesn't matter. Whatever. I mean, for your script, I mean, you can play around with this yourself. Make up your own designs, whatever. Make it how you want. And then we'll do another label, put it right there, and do type of or just like that, and then we'll get a J combo box and put it right there. Stretch it out just a little bit. Click again, and then go to model and put iron and coal. I'm just going to show you this from just iron and coal mining, and then also with the combo box selected, go up here to name and do ore to mine. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how to do this as a mining script. You can adjust it to the size you need, but just for this little thing I'm going to be showing you, we don't need a really big GUI, so I'm going to make it smaller. And then now you need a button. Put the button here, whatever. I'm not doing any of this for make the GUI look good. I'm just showing it to show you guys, so it's going to look terrible. So go here and do start. And then go up here to the name and do start button. And then there's also something that you always want to do with the start button, and that's right click it, go to add event handler, and then go up to action listener and hit OK. And then now you can see how well you like it. Go up there to that button, play around with it like that. Make sure everything looks good. And then now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then go right here. It's the J on the page. It's generate Java code. You can click it a couple times, make sure it works, whatever. And then you're done with that. So I'm going to open up the code really quick, the Java code that I just generated. Right there. And then we're going to take the imports it gives us, Control C, put them with our imports in our script, like that, and then right before the last curly brackets where I like to put my GUI, so that's where I'm going to put it. And then right here, you want to copy from class down, don't get that public right there. So you're going to get all that, you're going to copy it, and you're going to paste it right there. So now we have a GUI, but it doesn't show up yet or anything. So we're going to need a few variables for that. So I go here. God, I do it every damn time. Alright. Go there. And then I'm not even sure what the actual variables are, so I'm going to check one of my other scripts that I made. Alright. Damn it. Copied the wrong thing. I'll show you that in a minute. Ignore that. So you're gonna need this variable right here, and then change it accordingly. So we named our GUI PB GUI. So that's what you change it to. It's pretty simple. And I hate GUIs, so I don't really try to memorize the coding with it. So on start, we're gonna go here in the. I just had the code. I'm gonna try to remember it. It's God. Honestly, I probably couldn't tell you if I wanted to. It's I'm just gonna copy and paste it again. Alright, so then you put that right there under your own start, and then now your GUI will show up. But we want it to do something when it's done. So when right here it says private void start button action performed. Well, that's where we added that action event handler. So you're gonna go here and do string chosen. Damn, I got this new laptop and it's kind of hard to type on. And then named that combo box, we named it or to mine. Well, you want to go or to mine dot what the hell? Alright, a minute ago I had to update my RSBot, so I had to change the system, the configuration thing, and now it's all messed up. So I'm gonna try to do this by off what I know. It's get selected item, and then dot to string. I don't see why that's not. Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't. That was a typo, my bad. I always make that capitalized, but I guess I didn't. So, fail. You guys can comment about that, laugh at me, whatever. I don't really care. But then after you got that, you do if chosen dot equals, and then we want to make that a string, and then make sure you type this exactly as you made it in your GUI. And if you want to, just to be sure, then you can scroll down in your GUI a little bit and then see where you typed it right there. So yeah, and then on the second curly bracket do else if, then we're going to do the same thing as we just did above, equals coal. And why we do this is because when it's mining, you want it to, here, we'll just look at our mining method. It's right now it's just saying do iron rock. You can't, if they choose coal, then you want it to mine coal, but right now it's still just going to mine iron rock. So we're going to go up here to our variables real quick and do private int or chosen. I'm going to go back there, down there to our GUI, and right there do or chosen equals iron rock, and then or chosen equals coal rock. So now that we have that, we need to go to our mining method, and where we did the rs object, we need to change it to or chosen. So then now our GUI is going to tell it the or chosen is iron, or the or chosen is coal, so then it's going to mine either one of those. So now that's good, but we want our GUI to close after they hit the start button. So right there before that curly bracket, do GUI wait equals false, and then G dot dispose, and then that's good. That's the code we need. So we're going to go ahead and save it, and then you go ahead and compile, but I have mine set to auto save when I auto compile, so I don't really need to do that. So I can, just so I can show you, I'll open up my Powerbot, and I'll come back to you in a second, I think. So whatever. God, Game Studio is such an ass. It's ridiculous. Okay, thank you. I was gonna use Camtasia, but of course it started being a jackass and didn't show up. It wouldn't record right, so. God. Alright, well, I guess you can. Yeah, you can just test this for yourself. The video's probably already long enough. I think. Wait. Any problems or anything, comment below. I'll see you in my next tutorial.